This is Melanie Wilkinson with YorkNewsTimes.com. Now, we've received some new information regarding the mobile home fire at York Mobile Plaza last Monday night. Carlos Hernandez Gonzalez was arrested at the time of the fire for third offense, driving under the influence, as well as leaving the scene of an accident. Court documents say that it was his residence that started on fire that evening. When response crews were coming, deputies were looking for the person who lived in that house. They were told that he was actually in another residence here at York Mobile Plaza. When they went to that house, they found him face down on the floor in the living room. They also found his vehicle outside where the airbags had been deployed, and they noticed that all the mailboxes on the east side of the property had been hit by something. Now, some of the residents here said that they saw him hit these mailboxes with his vehicle as he fled from the property. Because the airbags were deployed, he could no longer drive anywhere, and he went to this other house. And they said that they did talk to him. He said that he dropped a cigarette inside of his house. It caught fire. He tried to put it out himself, was unable to, and he said that he was trying to drive to the fire department to go get help. Again, no other charges except for the drunk driving or leaving the scene of an accident have been filed against him. However, this is more information about how that fire may have started. This whole situation remains under investigation with the State Fire Marshal's Office, and we'll bring more information as soon as it becomes available. This is Melanie Wilkinson with YorkNewsTimes.com.